Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda, highlighting a part that has a very magnetic personality and a lot of functionality. The Steeda magnetic drain plug for popular Ford applications. In recent videos, we've touched on little pieces that make a huge difference to your car, and the magnetic drain plug is no different. It simply replaces the factory drain plug, and again, this is true up to about 2017, when Ford started to change over in 2018 to the plastic quick-release drain plugs. Obviously, this doesn't replace that. So the earlier popular models, you're typically in good shape. If you have questions, reach out, comment below, call us, you get the idea. But it's a very important part because as the engine goes through its natural life cycle, and as you put mileage onto the car, you're going to get some wear, and internal wear will create, well, minor metal flakes, and the magnet is designed to catch that. So it's a very important piece. As noted a moment ago, the engine goes through a natural life cycle, and obviously you're replacing your oil to help reduce wear. But there is natural wear that's going to happen in the engine, and you will get little minute metal particles from things such as the piston rings, the valves, as well as the lifters sometimes, throughout the duration of the life of the engine. So the drain plug is designed to catch those with the magnet. So as the oil is working its way back down into the oil pan, well, obviously the metal fragments are attracted to the magnet and get stuck to it. When you do your oil change, simply clean off those metal fragments. Now it's important as you're doing this oil change to take a look at that drain plug, because if it's collecting a lot of metal fragments, well, this means it's time to send your oil out for an analysis because the health of the engine may be compromised at this point. So it's a good way to also check the life and health of the engine as you go with each oil change. So there we go. We're keeping metal fragments out of the oil and recirculating back into the engine, as well as understanding what the life of the engine is, or the health of the engine, most importantly. And this is incredibly important, whether it's a daily driven car or, well, a race car. We're going to start with some metal flakes on the desk and show you how the magnetic drain plug attracts those and how much can simply accumulate on just this one little drain plug. I mean, that's impressive. That's just one quick swipe over it without even really touching it. You can see exactly how much can get picked up, and let's hope your engine doesn't look like this when you're changing the oil. So there you have it, a small part with a truly magnetic personality and a ton of functionality, the Steeda magnetic drain plug. To learn more about this and many of the great parts we offer for Ford vehicles, visit us at Steeda.com. To see the latest and greatest things that we're putting our vehicles through and keep updated on new parts coming out, definitely follow us on social media. If you enjoyed the content of this video, definitely click like and share with other enthusiasts. We thank you so much for watching. Steeda, speed matters.